Yeah, if you near be, I'm a Kennedy da one. It's a South Sam, when we say about me, other 3 cc. A boom kakra. Now, most moves you be from 4 million, yeah, and a sonny swama a canny pack a cray. Yes, most more prepare be about more than a cribby a chain with, and I attend it from now. Yenshare other matters on Galamsey. Is it as a Mampenise a yai bibi or honti or more yenshire?
Mammy chow now, mean chatty for my gibrity. Ebiana mammy beat a came, which is here. My main cancer was it.
Okay.
Bini anasem no ka nkomo no die na ye mede
right
ba ba bi o ka so de o mampani anya agere explanation de ba de man tiase bi ma me a wotie me so la me tie se me ko wia o 2 million cedis na ye de me ko 20 million go bari mase mama di me 2 million na me wia me go bari mase ko rim go ase de 2 million nye pe and I want to stress it again say me ko for public ridicule they call ridicule me now whatever amount I've embezzled will be left to me for me to enjoy the largesse. 2 million kwa betu of Ghana my bishop of America near Kudi. That is not enough.
Net said yeah.
Can say we should move a step further. Punish these people and if possible retrieve the money for the good.
No, he's not actually devoiding the fact that a mere punishment.
That's not what I'm saying.
But say political chess. Who say they say no publics I can come to be through. Oh, that be the because I'm sure got Tommy Jojo now so everybody no couldn't see. That's how it is now. I'm telling you so more qua. Or so qua you could jojo. Or but feel bedinisika. All lose the position, all lose the shade. So all my pennies the
committee, you know. And yet so effective.
I'm telling you
I think when they say they have the powers of the High Court.
Anytime make a choice. So there my people talk a say. But the court of Chief Justice. No afraid Attorney General. No for me and say there should be a special purpose court almost in every region. And can report him by say people are speedily tried. What does here? Those who need to be jailed are jailed. All my Jessica. It serves as a deterrent. Or chance Mimi Koyebi and you didn't know Kotum, maybe position wa. Members or China Public Accounts Committee wa. I can be imprisoned. And therefore him. It is a reason why John Dramani Mahama appointees 9 months in office won't scandal biaro. So say about we buy. Media for say Kamobo John Mahama na appoint this abaso. Because look at
other side.
Other side go the making now side bia wonka. Multiple parties in government and ke buy first 9 months. Not a single scandal, single one from all his appointees. Both in government, MMDCs, minister, Obia. Scandal ba ku compare. It tells you how ya free wom kokom akacha mo say wo wonim na obeye de ense nemfatano. This government will not shield you. And I think say John Dramani Mahama is appointees and the NDC needs a thumbs up. But you know me buy who introduce me say head of GIFEC. Na there be ana me pese me kaka na ma me si man ka ma me be si for no de papa na chama be ba we mu. Eno ani enu achi. Real networks wo niwa de biase. Adansia sokwa adansia krofom dodo na call off ti course na eba me ma me nom na na me for asam me na mo sa area ho nyina network no satellite that's the V-site the V-site satellite no and a more network and we have issue with the satellite and see report am de buy na yate nkrono ya affected in Ashanti region sa areas no e sha say fi woni pagina adue aboaboso tonkwase anyonofi botase samproso nyankomase asuboy apiankwanta ntraku seneso anti we na ye Ashanti region kura ya affected by now.
Oh, okay.
Anti GIFEC in penny for Minister of Communication penny for Eguswa. Engineers say in less than no time the problem will be resolved. Okay. Now mamen kase my end this in Yamabai in some way na okeka. What's it say
4.6 million.
I am on Canasa.
Yen can say
460 billion. And I say 46 billion. Mon Canasa 46 billion. Says can we go to create a wow, but to create a better trade. Yeah, my no tijuno. Or no one said okay 4.6 and I get 12.
Say you would say
46 billion. See a 550 note now. At to create a better trade, no sasso. And then before the year. Now I had a disappointed in Canada, Japan.
Are they?
Because one more can say me feel say ade we ye sika ya de boy amanyosem a e be say amanyosem enti me ntwa ne wo so a man of principle
enti gamo mu ntwa
debi minimum bi mo ntwa because as a day now mo ba no and come to qualify back o ga say ntwa but how could have been a backlash for the party enti breaking news by say he has been disqualified. But listen, but then because somebody are not disqualified now, and the party was due. Sandy Pano, mini authority, saying Kamaya Campia Mano. But me pay men of principle like because he says the 46 billion she came back to quit a bear for ID Commano was not right. But Papa in any case, media boss Obi Efiasem. Who can say be where me there? Between Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Kennedy Akompeko Japan, who are the two main leaders? Like possible, say one of them will match. They are all two devils, but I wish MP would choose. They are all two devils. Not all devil, by double devil in quote politically. I'm doing in a bar. Omunya asemo mo but omu go to see the lesser one omunya asemo mo omu go to see the lesser one me na me ka wa omu de omba bia na say ye de no so ye gua ye no so ye no so ho e de na wo omunya asemo mo ho but they offer Kennedy but you go and choose the lesser one no do what the political chess say ya timi abanya na Kennedy Japan wo
okay
na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wo no kra de no yeah head of the economic management team. One with inflation could do 54. However, almost connect 23. And inflation a single digit 9.4. And the party I'm a party about power. I'll do inflation about 9.4. Obi do 54. The belly 23. Sena war prayer me for home. Exchange rate dollar. Okay on one quotation. Or say you can do propaganda with the economy, but the exchange rate will expose you. And when your fundamentals are weak, no matter how, brofi, aya, koko na mutichi, munka na chima na mamno ojo mnenchibi. Or say, obeti ni, ade intro, ebo oman se de opebia. Now so see in dollars sano. Ebe you wama.
Yeah.
Am paso yi ni mae. E man NPP wo no. Na dollar. E konya ko do 17 cedis. Cedi ni ko do 17 cedis. Em say omo ko no. Na ba for kana ba be 16 to 15. And now it is a neighborhood of 12 plus.
Right.
Abaya, what you $1 abasa, sa bangway, some pennyful money way bar,
okay.
And your foreign reserves, year by 2 years, that was 8.something billion, 8.1. Today, it's in excess of 10 billion. And every indicator in this country is HSA. Baby, I know Nana, the friend say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and it a complex on Kennedy. On my bino.
Right.
Echo. Now your rating agencies see a junk. Na junk no. Last week, my deputy financial go share. And I make junk ning. Say we are of mine near the amai sikasem show sa. Na a German who say Ghana ye ammo bra. Sanka ye nipa. Anko yo bia mfa se ko sani bia. Wo di wade manwa. Oyeni o born besia wotimi kwantua nti dwaman so no omu ka che o my Ghana omu ka che Yosef Anane say mo bia mbo Ghana bosia sense obo Ghana bosia ontimi ntua junk economy ase no eno na bibidi jaye na se ne ye wo be bonus with positive outlook Yosef Anane na e fa ye kura say Ghana mo maji bosia no mo panyin John Dramani Muhammad say panyin na wo bobra pa ehwa de wo japade hwefie so no wona mo bosia basa nti mi hwe a stabilize economy so man panyin ye ntuna se
this is first year there early term no early period of the term mamin sadua sabre na di palo go so e besa palo tu yam na me samadoa jam na me samadoa because am for say kra no am for say kra ye ka say ase petrol ni ade kakra be ka ho chese ase no ma ye na wo hwe CD isu a baby ananke gina ase CD no say lose ni weight
Muhammad can be
all the maintaining
Muhammad can be na very
Africa, West Africa but
from 17 about 10 na ubusa omomo ya business ade nyina na it was so sharp nti more planning bibia anye nti o can say with time the city will find its real value. And I'm sure say so okay yeah apart from no say we have seen some amount of stability it we have been you do equilibrium state no and then the real value of the city. And your ma amai thumbs up.
The real value.
The real value say. One will say you buy now so far. Then government started pumping in dollars. Is that okay? And my city no at buy. But you can't sustain that for that kingdom come. I hope you with me. In the time will come, real economy no.
Say you be some question.
Oh no, but no. John Dramani Muhammad said no. He said it.
No. John Muhammad said. I am
quoting what the president said
to help the trade. I mean between countries. Excuse me. To help trade between countries. No. As a dollar need to be back between 11, 12. Thereabout. I mean 12 from the president.
12. Thank you.
But some of you. I mean,
when they make a not some of me and me so one and money uncle. The American, I buy a mechanic can change. Tell me, Castle, a year official dome. I didn't before sorry, and a galam say, we are Kotu Kubuahe. At that time, John Mahama campaign. Did you hear John Mahama say anything? Go, yeah, my dear, yeah, but I can't fancy you. It's my main can't,
yeah, I said, see,
only be. GDP growth. I saw more corner. Just somewhere for 5.7. Today, second quarter, 6.3. If we take all the indicators, debt to GDP, they say 60%. Almost in 2022, we don't say 85.7%. At that time, now 70.5%. Every indicator tells you say this administration, John Dramani Mahama administration, is doing very well. Say omode Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia beba no all bafufro dada yen so ye economic wizard. Na che oba ye also ye ICT guru na ICT ko emu de ko wie and I say a compare ko Canada Japan no so almost in some day bubuja ne report be say be kabi but they should do it. Now on the issue of one musika no womogino the basis saying fapem I market as proye kan dream chrono ewi eba monyesem.
Okay.
Now we the entire amanyofo sometimes omunya kwan kwa abamu and they want to steal money. It is because money, politics now is purely money, driven by money, nothing more, nothing else.
Right.
And to say, yes, 4 million. So being a kwan kwa abamu watchna. No them say from 4 million, about cost 6 million. Woman is question no obey.
Delegates the MIO.
Na me tell me o me kan no kwa. Obewia. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and the papa in Japan. Anyone can and Nambrancy. Almost delegates they give something out. So put all together. That was say, where are they getting the money from? Again, minim say the famous of all the 4 million by no minim say Nipa bebe na nye bintua. Na nka muka se be 2-man race. Because me share others no by ye papa by Japan there. At least it was obvious you could pay. But at the end menua engineer Kwabra Japan and co. They knew definitely they couldn't pay. It's not compensation come this cano nipa ni be film, which is dangerous in politics.
Sure.
Very, very dangerous in politics. Na se be say enye nimbia wo, enye opepa wo, enye ahofa mapa bia wo, enye osumpa bia pesa osumo man, na mum ubotom kase sika wo, na de amanyose wo man mu ehu. Na se no ebeye fapem, ebeye amanyosem wo man mu a krono ewi girim efere say money laundry na muka no any kwan basa yeso a nipa pesika no enye na ehye nipa ni bi abufu Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia obedi president Ghana for bobra ade musika koto bonds e wo man Ghana mu ha NPP aban couldn't pay am a big wuye awewo muli minim panifobia aya mi pese mekai abusuafo no because panifobia bobra o Ghana ha no mu jeti bi susu say ye de sika akoma aban ye sika ntua e ma ye tibi ntonwo na ye wu ampa utwo manim ye nyamrofo mamefo ebe piketi ye
Fuado say
mi tie mi boss
ade no ti Ekufuado agye atum o se sa ade ne ye the darkest moment ewo ni leadership
and nana mi tira me kana
nana Ekufuado
say dem ka tira me ken na hoda me ka tira me ken na Ekufuado agye ba no mu pesa kwa asuma Ghana for beto bond no na wo mu sika go bank ene empase o man ko tobi so they had the 4 million cedis they had yes
evidence
said na yaji 4 million within 2 months onye be
but he's been a former deputy governor he's worked so
the American want to say and go for them say go to bond see for your my Ghana o mu go to bond ni bi na mu sika go bank na go empase ɛna nkɔfo kɔtɔ bɔn no ɛna ɔmo sika hyɛ ntɔntɔn wɔn ka ɛna ɔmo sika na egu dɛm gu mpaase na ɔmo afɔ kɔtɔ bɔn ne bi.
na sɛ mo ba yɛ nkurɔfo bu a mo atua bɔn de ne sika mo nti bi sɛ
mo de tere mo kan sɛ
mo atua ɔmo so de
yɛ nyɛ ɔmo na meka me se ɔmo mo 4 million de yɛ tɔ bɔn nom kɔtɔ bi ɔmo bi mu a anke yɛ bɛhwɛ sɛ sika twitwi di ɔmo yi pie ne na yɛ tɔ bɔn de no abo ɔmo Ghana wo mu to bi ana sika na ni wo David Kusa Maxen enti the
judgment be an personal investment
sir
obi ordinary de be here no ani
obi si be sham pass
obi de be sham pa ozu grad be kwa kwehye fuom ne board ye ho na aye
enti then you are with me say dream die bi eno mo die o man Ghana now to the issue of Galamsey.
In what sense? Dream die in what sense?
And what do you be sika?
Because you have no proof say cannot be a kuchiano.
There became some want to massive.
There be you.
I don't know
some of them are even being sponsored because His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ebe primampeni ye won krofo on be support to campaign on be support to yes be obitimi obia politicians they have certain source of common declare the source of obia be catch sponsor se see ade obi nkai but you think around it
there be yes we are for 4 million for 4 million bra or the 4 million aba o han say Anything, it's over 4 million dollars. 4 million dollars. Oh, I understand. When you bro, one condition, refer to say, what may enter so.
Mate,
now to the issue of Galamsey.
Is a Moncroft way, yes, be woman. Appointees, say, yes, be woman, and some other party, Crawford. I mean, senior warrior.
NDC appointee be a Mufisi woman. Money din.
But some of them are.
Oh no, you see. Yes, be more, yes, be go. And some money in your trading, and I'm a one. It's a money. I buy no, yeah, do be an ye bidao. Until I make us say. So because of the fight against Galamsey, yent me win here. Sandy Pakoro doomsayer. And I've told you say, we have to win. We have to win, I was show. So say winning. Because you're winning here, in no. A man you be there that we couldn't win, we have to win. Aban ye nyama mienu. Akokwa tia na me kwa afi ne ko bo ho dawru. I be ye nya obi o man mu da. The ten say, yensua say. No government and what take a step. Say in sona asay no, I want to treat the water. John Dramani Mahama aban edi ne megu akwem. Say, can we treat our river bodies? The answer is yes. Technology no ewo ho. Boba KNS ya Oko Physics Department, the Zotec Group, Oma develop genuine means able to treat this rivers. And for the first time, I buy say, can rivers now no be treated? And Machel say the technologies are bound to treat the river. It means His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is moving a step further than what his compatriots have done over the years. Second point, they say, see the asoja for eco site. Ako stopu omo ye illegal thing. Enye we ne dikan. Aban etwem de biko. But the yesoronku ewo enedie mu say. Ye hunu say ye kwa. Ye tiri pamu wo mu kofie. Na ye di dwuma na ba bosim ba komienu miensa. Na asrafo no esan call mo barracks. Na nkofo no asan aba. And what Aban is doing now, a novel. Not a no person say. Now all these areas have been earmarked as security zones. I have been here permanently. Military guys, as step one. Ebio, emra na any Ghana ha. Na boniba NPP for team. So mo pesi ye kwaye wo mamu ha wo mo sai no. Ntwom ko se emra fu emra kankan emra bone. Se kwaye aye nananu agama yen. Ebo ye ho bra. Yaka se dua etwato no wu a nipa otwato so bewu na NPP fonti an gina o man Ghana ho no mu de mraba ye se fede timi kokwayem kotrobudie enu ena ye fapem ma ye kwaye nyina se ye no NDC aban a John Dramani Mahama da no se sa mra na che ho no emra no obeye firi ho kra ebio obiye ni kwan so koye kwayem kotrobudie obiye ni kwan so konsom kotrobudie obi any kwan say kwan ho na obi make sure say na way ebeba. These are refreshing. And amaka say and the permit be na message. Ni Fakuma pa mo bi aka mo na min kutase
him sir
February Ghana ese Ghana be yo senye yo ayamene wara wakasa NDC o osi Fakuma pa po Ghana o man kunkun se be ye senye ye ayamene wara winning I am still contemplating this I need to learn because I'm in school that was contemplating between going to do law because I'm a material scientist. I have MPhil in material science, and which I worked on a substance called zeolite. I know a place of no, a sieve. I to purify water. So I want to move a step ahead to do a PhD in that field. Now, I say treatment of water, novel ways. Because on my Ghana, I was saying to say, or money in your mind, and your mania, I was say, a month for close no.
Right.
Nipa democracy what your mind is here. And to my cousin, share, and nay, I'm the same way of first pitching a buyer.
Thank you.
Many Dr. Bill Kachem say, even diabetes, come, heavy metals within the system contribute towards that.
Yeah.
And say hospitals need show.
Hypertension and all that.
Hospital, very good. Say hospitals need show. Level of diabetes, I feel said the ACA increase. Me say, all of us are at risk. But you but those are Casimir at the power. Was sending my men no to do no. Or more many bakumase. Now, essence said in some will be kakra. My man fanasa. No, you go KNUST. No, say you go come for nothing. Or my medical who is specialist.
Right.
You're changing my mini location. And my son got me from. My mini was healed. Unfortunately, and I were womanly. My mini corner and not to me buy it.
Right.
Me mami a wuti sa kroke stadium. Some privilege we are mami nya no. Do you have it? If the answer is no. Mama ye nya come on board. The year reflection say, Joe Mahama, mo tro from agudo mu tie me. Ghana for the tabu as friend say subo egu Joe Mahama so say onfa tabu and to from agudo no so. Na mo bebe no maka say eno ya model mo source of mo kan say en na mo do ndi jasa. Was it tabu no ye mfendo sa bri. But yasramo mamu nkonsuo mamu nko forest mu mamu nko kwa nkotu se wotu ya menye de unni nkata ya befise mani mamugo na unya kata na uditu
campaign was done in the past,
but we need to intensify it
still no more galam.
That is why we need to intensify.
It seems like we were arresting we were campaigning still they were not listening.
That is why
until you called for state of emergency.
That is why boss uti that is why more legal papers no this time round are allowed. And consider you must obey the thing legally and obey no in a more way a better environment. Then make us say, let us also encourage them. Say go through the legal process. Wouldn't be a catastrophe and yet the better environment. Let us reclaim the land. Yeah, my say yes soon. Say no more way you people will man responsibly and there wouldn't be the call to say let us watch it. And that's appeal and make for them.
Right.
Young man penny John Dramani Mama buying in a buy ambassador my idea. And I think say me Solomon Anane and then because say you would just say 7 million Ghana for Nyababwa. Na garam say Kunu Yakun was a for non Kundiaba. Listen say I'm Kuni now. You know the Bama channel.
Right. Medas Solomon Anane Ashanti Regional Director Gifek and of course NDC Communications Team member and our training.